Class 7. In this video I am going to solve some exercises from the chapter Subject Verb Agreement. So follow this video. Here I have given some fill in the blanks with subject verb agreement. Okay. Now you will have the questions like that. You have to fill up the blanks with the proper verbs. Okay. Here I have given some exercises and I will be solving also, and please follow the class. Fill in the blanks with proper verbs. The boy who is wearing blue pants is my cousin. Okay. So here you can see this the boy who is wearing blue pant. Here I have already written the answer, that is. But why it is because you can see the boy is here. We learned it also. The boy is the subject, and here you see where is the verb. The verb is here. Is wearing blue pant. Okay. So the boy means here the subject is the boy. Okay. The subject is the boy. And the verb is here is. Okay. So it is agrees with it. So that's why it is. The boy who is wearing blue pants is my cousin. Clear? The second one, there is no student in the room. There is no student in the room. Introductory, there you know it very well. There, and then after no student student is the subject. Okay, and according to the subject we have written the verb is. Number 3, he and I were present in the meeting. He and I, he is the one individual, I is one individual. So he and I, then were. Okay, you can write here he and I are present in the meeting also, you can write. Okay. Then number 4, the producer and director of this movie is an eminent social worker. The producer and director. The producer and director. Who is the producer? He is the director of the movie. Okay. How can you understand that? You see the producer and director. If I write in before director the, that means the director means another director. But you can see I have not put here the word, okay, before director. So that means who is the producer? Is the same person is the director. So the producer and director is the same person of this movie, is an eminent social worker. So is one person, that's why. Number 5, all the players with the captain are present in the ground. All the players with the captain. You see all the players, okay, all the players with the captain. So here all the players, that means you know that with the word that means with. Okay, if we add with that means the subject here, you know, first of all I would like to say that where is the subject of this sentence. You see all the players, okay, and with the captain. So there are two subjects, players and the captain. If these two subjects are joined with, okay, so then what happened? So the subject will follow the first verb, the first noun. Again I am telling, all the players with the captain. Here you see the two subjects of the sentence, the players and the captain. The players is plural, captain is singular. Okay, so these two nouns are added with. If this thing will happen, then the verb will follow the first subject of the sentence. So first subject here, what is that? Players. So according to players, that means plural. So we have written are. Clear? Now number 6. They as well as I are tired of the work. They as well as I are tired of the work means they. You see, they. Okay, it is one pronoun. As well as I is also the pronoun. Okay, in between you see these two pronouns are added with as well as. So this verb, you see the verb will follow the first, what? The first subject. Okay, so they means what? Obviously plural, so are tired of the work. Clear? So the that means the you have to make a line under this are. Number 7, neither of the two plans is suitable. So you know that each, either, neither, everyone, one of the. In these cases, always the verb should be singular. Okay. So you see this one, neither of the two plans, neither of the two plans, though neither. Neither means it could be either this one or that. It will not be this one or that one. Both of the plans are not. Okay. So here it will be is. Now number 8, everyone knows the secret now. Knows means everyone means what? You know it very well. I have already told you that everyone, neither, either, just like the previous one, this all actually take a singular verb. Okay, so everyone means here, that means singular one, so this one would be knows as singular simple present tense, so knows is. Then after number 9, neither the moon nor the stars are shining today. Neither the moon nor the stars. I have told you already in previous class that if that means when the two subjects are connected with either or neither nor. Okay. So the verb agrees with the letter subject. That means here you can see the two subjects. What are the subjects here? The moon and the stars. Okay, the moon is one subject and the stars is another subject. So if these two subjects are combined with neither nor or either or, so the verb will follow the second subject of the sentence. So here, where is the second subject? The stars. Stars means here multiple, so it will be plural, so are shining today. Clear? Number 10, only a little of the work has been completed. That means much, a little. This word takes a singular verb. So here you see only a little. Only a little means obviously the verb will be singular. Of the work has been completed. It's not a little means, that's not about that means the plural. It should be the singular. The verb should be in singular agreement. Number 11, both of the guests have arrived. Both of the guests arrived means, what is the meaning of that? Both of the guests have arrived. Okay. So you know it, many, a few, several, both. In these cases, we follow the verbs are always plural. Okay. So here you can see both of the guests. Both of the guests means obviously if the word both is here, so we will follow the verb as plural form. Okay, so that's why have. It's not has. Clear? Either the girl or the boys are telling a lie. Just like the number 9. Okay, we have done either or neither nor. So if there is also either the girl, so where is the verb here? Where is the subject here? The girl. Okay, and another one is boys. These two subjects are here. So you know that if the word is either or neither nor is present, so at that time what will happen? So that time we will follow the second that means subject of the sentence, and according to that the verb will be written. So second subject of the verb is boys. Boys means here plural. So that's why are telling. Clear? Number 13. A few of these houses are still vacant. A few of these houses are still vacant. Here you know that what to say, many, a few, several, both. In these cases always this words always take a plural verb. Okay, so you know that a few is also in this list, so obviously here the plural, that means are. Clear?